Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this transition that you see on the screen right now. I have two clips on the line. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Put your playhead between both clips. Right click on the right one. 3-time controls. You have to have the studio version to do this particular one. Some of them you can mask by hand, but this one here you have to have the studio. And I got the media from Pixabay. Click on that little diamond and freeze frame. Then go up here, click on this. I'm on a 30 FPS. I want 20 frames as still. So type in 20 or whatever you have to adjust to. Hit enter and your playhead should advance. Bring that back to the playhead. Then control backslash to cut it. On Windows, I'm not sure what it is on Mac. Make sure this is not a still here. Make sure it's a video still. And the 20 seconds is a still now. Then hold the Alt key down. And drag a copy up. And highlight both of them copies. Right click. New Fusion clip. Bring it up. Stack it on top of that one. And put your playhead over it and go to Fusion. Delete the background. And delete the merge 1. Plug the median 1 into the merge, but it's backward. You want the green foreground connected to the median 1 and the yellow background connected to the median 2. Right click on the merge, swap inputs, and that's what you want right there. Select the median 2, shift space, and magic mask. Put that in viewer 1. And track it. And select media in 1. Get a Mac control. Put a right click on the magic mask output. Carry it up to the Mac control and put it in a garbage mat. And select the Mac control. Add a transform. Then get another one. And connect it right here. Select the transform 1. Go to center Y. And take it up to 1.5. This part here is what the Mac control is masking. Then go to the transform 2. At center Y. Minus 0.5. Make sure your playhead is on frame 0. Set a keyframe on the center Y. Advance to frame 9. And take the center Y back to 0.5. Then advance to frame 10, 1 frame. Go back to transform 1. Set a keyframe on the center Y. Take the playhead all the way to the end. And bring the center Y back to 0.5. And if you want to add some blur to it, select the transform 1. Go to settings. Select motion blur. And you can play around with these sliders till you find something you like. And if you want to do the bottom part, the guy on the bike, select transform 2. Go to settings. And motion blur. I don't want to do that part though. I just want to do the top. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.